Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for joining and thank you for subscribing. Today's video is an open house video here in the village of Summerhill. This is a wood framed home. It is a Corpus Christi 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome friends. Thank you for joining this open house tour. We are in the village of Summerhill. This is located a little bit north of Highway 466. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That way is facing west. That is the home right there. It is a wood framed home. And this way is facing east. It's a very quiet neighborhood here in the village of Summerhill. As we walk up to this Corpus Christi Cottage series model, you'll notice that the driveway is concrete. And it does have a 1.5 car garage. You'll also notice that it does have a TV antenna. Those TV antennas in the villages are worth about $700. As always, please contact the listing agent Lisa at Realty Executives if you want more information. As I mentioned before, this is a wood framed home. It does have vinyl siding. It has very mature landscaping. Again, this is in the village of Summerhill. You will see that the front yard is larger than most areas of the villages because it does have a large setback in this home. It looks like the roofing is in good condition. Let's go inside and take a look. As we enter the home, I am in the foyer area. Hello, Lisa.
Hi,
would you like to give us a little description of this home?
Absolutely. Welcome to 3330 Oakdale. This is a Corpus Christi, nested here in the community of Summerhill. The home has been pretty much redone inside. Well, I think that you should take a look for yourself.
Okay, I'll take a look. I'll walk through. I'll describe what I see. And if we have any questions, I will leave your contact information in the description of this video, and they can contact you.
Sounds good.
Very good. Thank you, Lisa. Let's take a walk through the home. As I stand in the foyer, the first thing I notice is this very nice neutral laminate flooring. This flooring does continue throughout this home. Pretty much every room of the home has this flooring. You don't have any transitions in flooring. I do notice that the ceiling is knockdown texture. It looks like it has been freshly redone and freshly repainted. This is the living area. I will include a video of the specification sheet. Please refer to that if you have any questions, or please contact Lisa.
It's Liz.
Liz, if you have any questions. Let's take a walk out into the lanai area. The lanai does have concrete floors. It does have a new ceiling fan. I will take a walk out into the backyard and take a pan of the backyard and the side yard. This is the backyard. Again, it is a little more spacious than most backyards here in the villages, Florida. I'll take a walk to the corner of the house, of the yard, and take a panoramic view. This is the backyard of the home. Very mature landscaping. They call those bushes bottle brush bushes. This is the side yard. You can see the TV antenna. This is a beautiful home. It is wood framed. It has been almost entirely remodeled. And I believe this is a fairly new listing. It has not been on the market very long. Let's take a walk back into the living room area.
I wish I mentioned, but the lanai screen is actually like a semi-private. You can see out, but you can't see from outside in.
Okay, so the lanai screens, that's a good thing to mention, that in Florida you can get screens that are kind of like a one-way. You can see out, but when you're outside, it's hard to see in.
Correct.
That is nice. What we have on this side of the home, it is a split bedroom design, which is very popular. You have a guest quarters on this side of the home with a pocket door. To give the guests privacy, we'll have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the home. Let's take a walk in. You'll notice that the laminate floors continue throughout this home. It does have a granite countertop and new cabinet in this bathroom. It does have knockdown ceilings. The tub and surround do appear to be fiberglass or plastic. Very nice and neutral, very open feeling. It looks like the texture on the walls is an orange peel texture. This is the bedroom that's in front of the home. Again, knockdown texture on the ceilings, new ceiling fan. Has bifold closet doors. I know some of you subscribers have asked me to open up the closets, and that is what the closet looks like in this front bedroom. Very nice, very neat. You'll notice that the molding, the casing on the floor or the base is very wide. It looks like it's 4-inch base molding. This is the bedroom in the back of the home. Very similar to the bedroom in the front of the home. Looks like it has a new ceiling fan. It does have knockdown texture on the ceiling. Again, the laminate floors continue throughout this home. I do like the fact that the floors are the same throughout the home. It makes cleaning these homes a lot easier. I know some people have electronic vacuums and they just set it on to go at night, and in this home you could let it go from room to room without any issues. I will take a walk into what I believe is the master bedroom. You can see that the floors continue throughout the master bedroom. Nice large windows, very open. Ceiling is knockdown texture, new ceiling fan. The master bedroom does have a bathroom off of it. Beautiful white cabinets, solid surface countertops, all redone, nicely decorated. Has a little separate space for the commode. Does have a very large shower. I believe that's a 48-inch shower. It is fiberglass or plastic. Surround. Does have a seat in it. Let's take a walk back outside the bathroom. Does have a closet in the bathroom with storage space. That's your closet. Floors are consistent throughout. Let's take a walk in this closet. So this is the second closet in the master bedroom area. This is actually a walk-in closet. Floors continue. Does have shelving units, really bright light. Very visible in this room. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home and into the garage. I'll take a video of the kitchen next. Kitchen is beautiful. Has solid surface countertops. Staged beautifully. It does have a natural gas stove. I know a lot of my subscribers want to know what kind of fuel is powering the stove. That is natural gas. Does have a large single bowl stainless sink. Beautiful white cabinets, knockdown ceilings, recessed lighting in the kitchen. Very bright. There's not a dark spot that I can see in this house. I will video the spec sheet. Here is the spec sheet. Please contact Liss at Realty Executives. The list price is $340,000. It's located at 330 Oakdale Place in the village of Summer Hill. It's completely remodeled, new paint. If you have any questions, please contact Liss. I will include her information. In the description of the video, there are your room sizes. Let's take a walk out into the garage area. Looks like there is a closet in the garage area. There is your closet. It has 6 panel doors in the home, at least in some areas of the home. It does have a water softener. This is a 1.5 car garage. You can easily fit a car and a golf cart in this garage. It does have cement floors. It has some shelving units over there. That is a water heater. Again, check your specification sheets for the particulars, the ages of the mechanicals in the roof. It does have a laundry in the garage. Very nice home. I will start walking outside the home and into the street. Thank you, Liz, for allowing us to video this home today. Really appreciate it. Do you have anything else you want to say?
Absolutely. So the roof on this home is a 2022. The AC is a 2016, and the water heater is this year's 2024. The other thing is the sellers are including, since it's an unfurnished home, the items that you see are really for staging purposes to give folks an idea of what to accommodate and so on. But this is going to be included in the sale, which is a new set of pots and pans. They're missing the plates, but there's going to be a set of plates, glass, and utensils with the sale. So that is included. So at least to put the essentials in the kitchen.
Okay, so those items there are included in the sale. Oh, awesome. Perfect.
And financing is available. I actually do financing as well. I have every single program, including VA, conventionals, no income for investors as well. So I can offer financing for those that need it.
Awesome. So they can see you for the financing part of it as well. I like it. A full stop shop here. Awesome. I will take a walk outside the home, and then I'll come back in and get your business card.
Sounds good. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Beautiful entry door, 6-panel white door. Let's take a walk outside the home. This is exiting the home. Take a panoramic view. Again, a very deep setback. Your front yard is very large. This is going to be a quiet home in a quiet neighborhood. Large mature tree right there. Beautifully landscaped home. As always, please contact the listing agent, Liss, who is at Realty Executives, and that is her contact information. I do appreciate your time today. Thank you for joining my tour today. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining this open house tour of 330 Oakdale Place here in the village of Summerhill. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please subscribe and like the video if you do. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend.